àdúrà táwọn tó lórúkọ máa ń gbà ní pé kọ́lọ́n má jẹ́ kán bọ orúkọ wọn jẹ́ tàbí kọ́mọ ayé má ṣe tako sáṣọ àlà wọn. arábìnrin kan ni wọ́n sọ pé ó forúkọ gbajúmọ̀ òṣèrébìnrin tíátà ilẹ̀ wa Iyabo Ojo lu jìbìtì o. lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára bá gbóná ni wọ́n ń fa Iyabo Ojo lórí ọ̀rọ̀ náà. arábìnrin Motun tó fọ̀rọ̀ náà tó fẹ̀sùn náà kàn ti jáde síta láti wá sọ bọ́rọ̀ náà ṣe jẹ́. ẹgbọ́n tó rí.
Yeah, good evening guys, good evening everyone, good evening, trust you are good. Well, mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa the recent issue that's going on online, the dragging, back and forth and everything. I would have talked about it before now though, but because of the notion for the return of Arinzo, I decided to keep quiet, to hold for a while. Maybe after the return of Arinzo sold out and everything, then I will now come out to say my own side of the story. So note guys, even it is not even me yet saying my side of the story. I am just here to clear some facts. And the first fact is about them saying I'm using Iyabo Ojo's name to collect money from people, which is a very big lie, because I have never used Iyabo Ojo's name to collect money from anybody. I have never used Iyabo Ojo's name to collect money from anybody. This gang fighting, gang dragging and everything was all a plan. You understand? If there's anyone that has paid me because of the fans club or has did anything into the fans club, they did it willingly. I never forced anybody. And I never collected money from anybody forcefully or used Iyabo Ojo's name to collect money from anyone. That's number one. Number two, about me using Iyabo Ojo's name to create an Ajo group, it is also a very big lie. I am not using Iyabo Ojo's name to create group. I've been of Ajo community for about 5 years now. And in that 5 years, I will not lie that this kind of thing has not happened before, because it is an experience that you will experience as an Ajo's admin. See, this video I want to make, I only want to see those that are experienced in Ajo. If you know you are an admin or you've been into coordinating Ajo, those are the people I want to see on this video. Please, please and please. And for those of you that are judging without hearing my own side of the story, that you are judging me based on the manipulative words they put together because they want you to believe something wrong about me for them to achieve their aim. Well, good luck to everybody, because at the end of the day, God is going to judge us all. I have a group which is the Mona Thrifts and Community Loan. I've been doing it for a very long time, not today. So when we started the Iyabo Ojo Social Fans Club, I used to post on my status, and there are some people that I have close relationship with based on the way we interact and talk. They joined this group willingly, not because it was Iyabo Ojo's name. I'm going to be dropping a lot of evidence, a lot of proofs and everything, maybe after this video, but I just want to make a short video to let you know that I have deleted the name Iyabo Ojo's Fans Club on my own platform because she asked me to do so. I have done it. And that is their aim, actually, because they feel like maybe there's something I'm getting from Iyabo Ojo, and they also want to get it, and they are not getting it, and there is nothing actually that I'm getting from her. Maybe that's because of why they are doing all these things. But at the end of the day, I'm so sorry this video is coming in the night because I have to make it before tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm going to make a proper video, if God willing. But the truth is, I have an Ajo community, and there are few people that I removed from the Ajo due to the things they did. And there are people that I didn't remove, but because they stopped paying Ajo, they are not going to collect their money until the Ajo ends. Some of the Ajo is going to end next month, and some of it is going to end May. So, and I have told them to wait for me till those that are going to end in May, April. I told them to wait for me till April. They are going to collect their money, and I told the ones for the May that they should wait till the Ajo end, that they are going to collect the money, which I think that is what a normal admin will do. You understand? So they're coming together, piling themselves up with the person that calls herself my friend, arranging themselves together just because they feel like if they put a narrative outside there, my name is going to be, they will drag me, they're going to, give me a name that does not belong to me. I am putting everything into God, and may God judge each and every one of us. That's just it. So there is a woman that started a job with me sometimes ago, and something happened between me and her. We had a fallout, and she stopped paying her job. I'm going to tell you guys the full story tomorrow on my live video because it is night already. So I told her to, she stopped paying her job for like 2 weeks, and she had people in the group that she brought, but she just suddenly stopped paying her job. So because she stopped now, there's nothing I can do than to wait. So she had some other groups that has finished actually, but I cannot give her money until the particular one that she's in, that is not finishing yet until May. I have to wait till that time because I don't want to ruin the money. I have people that are going to come and talk about it. This woman has collected money from me more than, when I calculated it, I have the receipt of everything, even more than 6 to 7 times she has collected money from me. So if she's now coming outside now, packing themselves together with people that even this is not their turn yet. There's a lady, her name is Juliet. Ẹ̀yin
èèyàn kí lẹ rí sóhun tárábìnrin yìí sọ nínú fọ́nrán náà, ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ lábala àríwísí.